For this activity, we're going to be learning about the word election and what happens during an election. So listen along as I read this article, and then we're going to answer some true-false questions down here at the bottom. Here we go. Voting happens all the time. Voting means making a choice. Some votes are small and relatively unimportant. For example, when your class decides what game to play for PE, this choice impacts only one day. Some votes are very important and have a lasting effect. Every 4 years, America chooses a president. This leader will make decisions to help America. These decisions will shape America's future. Only adults can vote for leaders. Voting for leaders is called an election. In an election year, many people are trying to become the new leaders. Voters choose new leaders for their city, state, and country. Voters also vote on new laws and taxes. So now we're going to answer these true-false questions. Now, friends, when you come to this question and you're unsure of the answer, go back into the text and try to find the answer up here to help you answer the question. Here's the first one. Kids can choose the president. Is that true or false? Next one. Adults can choose the president. True or false? Voting is making a choice. True or false? Now, friends, if you need to stop and pause this video while you answer the questions or look back in the text, please do, and then just hit play when you're ready. An election is choosing leaders. True or false? Leaders are not important. True or false? Leaders make decisions. True or false? Now for the last one down here, they want to know, voting for leaders is called is that called an election or is it called a country? Answer the questions. And remember, friends, go back into the text if you need a little bit of help. Have fun!